And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Beautiful day out this morning. Going to give you a video tour of this 2017 Bighorn 3575 residential fifth wheel. What a beautiful coach. We'll start here on the outside with the solid fiberglass front cap, painted front cap by the way, LED lighting. We've got two awnings on the side, one on the slide out and one on the main portion of the coach, both electric, LED lighting on the main awning. You're going to have, of course, two large 7-gallon LP tanks, large storage compartment, both in the front and on the side of the coach. Pass through, coming around the back of the coach, we're going to have a ladder with a solid fiberglass cap. So this isn't a soft cap, this is a solid fiberglass cap as the Bighorn offers in 2017. Coming down the driver's side here, you're going to notice both of the slide outs have slide toppers. So that was an addition that we did here at the dealership for the customer. Coming down the other side here, you're going to notice all of your station is in one spot, meaning that your water connections, your sewer connections, everything is in one spot. Your docking station's all in one spot, all enclosed. Extra large capacity water heater, hydraulic leveling system, upgraded tires, mag wheels. This is just a beautiful coach. Let's go inside. Alright, so let's do a little walk around here in this coach. It's got so many beautiful features, starting with the ceiling, the lighting, cabinetry. As you can see, you've got lots of cabinets in this coach. Got a large flat screen TV with a Jensen surround sound, fireplace that works as a heater. You've got two theater seats that have heat and massage. You've got a nice solid wood dinette table with large windows in this slide out for the dinette. Beautiful ceiling finishes in the dinette area. We've got a microwave convection oven with a real oven as well as a 3-burner stove. Large capacity 4-door gas electric refrigerator. Double bowl sink with a residential style drop down faucet. Again, more storage in that island. The island gives you so much storage, but looking over to what I would call the hutch area or the overhead cabinet area, where you've got one long counter to put whatever you want there, coffee maker, blender, whatever you have going on, with cabinetry above and below, pull-out drawers and cabinet doors. This coach is just beautiful. Up into the bedroom area here, you're going to notice we've got a large closet designed for a stackable washer dryer. Of course, that can be used as additional storage if you don't desire to do that. The closet in the front nose of the coach is amazing. Double rotted, heavy duty double rotted to hold a lot of clothes. You've got shoe racks in here. You've got an additional closet space. To the left of that, you're going to notice that you've got a spot to put things at night, and your heat and AC control is right here. This unit has a whisper quiet air conditioner. It's got day and night shades. So it's designed again for that year-round living. King size bed, storage under the bed. You've got a 4-drawer dresser set up with a TV, 3 additional closet spaces next to it. Both windows on the slide out of the bed do open, so you can get some crosshair, and then you've got a nice large window right here that again allows extra light to come into the coach. Walking into the bathroom area, you're going to have a porcelain toilet. You have a large residential style one-piece fiberglass shower with bifold glass doors. Solid surface countertop in the bathroom as well with storage underneath and drawers. You've got additional area next to the sink for toothbrush holders, shavers, etc., and a nice large medicine cabinet. So all LED lighting throughout this coach. Again, this is a 4 Seasons coach. It's just a great coach. Spend a lot of time in here and have a lot of fun. All right, and again, I want to thank you for your time this morning and allowing us to show you this 3575 2017 Bighorn. If you have any questions on this or any other coach, I've been in the business over 30 years. I'd love to help you. You can reach me directly at 541-968-6010. You can call or text anytime, or you can email me at ron.mcgowan@guaranty.com. Thank you and have a great day.